394, and I go to school at Edric, and click down here for Daylan's soil.
What are you going to be doing for us today, Dalen?
I'm getting we have two challenges: the light green ball, and this dark green ball, and the light green ball.
Okay.
And try and make it in that color.
Okay, let's see what you can do. Whoa. Let's try again.
I need to one more try.
Okay, go ahead.
One more.
One more. Yeah, one more ball.
Okay.
Oh, you made it!